a universal verdentide moment, you know?
This is the verdentide moment.
Are you ready to rumble? I am. One,
Why did I
2,
hear that get
3,
close?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run, run, run!
Why run when you can just stay here? God. I don't know
I
if the
hear
command
them.
will work in time.
Shift P to develop a camera, see how big it is, and zoom. Oh shit.
Ow, my
Did they even stick on the ships?
ears! I'm at 1 volume for your information in game.
Oh, that
Teleport
hurt
to
my
you.
ears.
Oh my god,
Oh, there's still some left.
there's a lot left. You should have spread them out more. Everything's kind of clearing up now, yes.
Oh, I died.
Yeah, maybe force field yourself.
I died when Godded and Force Field.
Yeah. Because the damage, because if you're within 60 stubs, it will just kill your torso.
Oh, it's still going.
The damage
I'm
range
way
at,
farther than 60 studs. Still didn't.
the damage range at maximum is 800 studs.
I'm way farther than that.